Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grove Collaborative. If you're not familiar with this company, you can do like monthly subscriptions or you can pause it for a long time. But they have a bunch of really awesome cleaning products, stuff that's like better for you to use and all that fun stuff. So you can pause your subscription or have it sent on a regular basis. I only get an order maybe like once a year to stock up on some stuff. But when I placed this order, I did get a free item, so that's right on top. They are cleaning gloves. These are cute too. So you can do dishes or whatever you want to do. These are latex and nylon. So that's cute. And I do have a link below if you want to try it. You get a free 5-piece cleaning set, which is really nice. So one of the things I got is this Tom's toothpaste for children. It's fluoride free. I know Tom's is pretty popular in the toothpaste department for people that, you know, like the non-chemicals, non-dyes, those kind of things. But I've never tried it. So I'm going to see if Jackson likes it. And I like that they taped it, so if it popped open, it's not going to leak everywhere. So that's really awesome. And I forgot what else I ordered. Let's see. Oh, this is one of those collapsible laundry baskets. I'm not even sure if I can show this on camera. It's so big. It's no way it'll fit on camera because it's huge, but maybe I'll try to insert a picture. It's this nice khaki colored and it's organic cotton laundry bag. And you could even use it to stash toys, it says, and it collapses down. So my husband uses these. I don't, but my husband does. And the kind he gets are like the cheap, like mesh collapsible ones, and like the metal always pops out the side of them, and I can't stand it. So I got that for him. Next up, oh yeah, I bought some conditioner. I am always running out of conditioner because my hair's so long. I just go through conditioner like crazy. So I wanted to try this kind because it's coconut, sealed for safe shipping. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, that's a good scent. So I got that. And I think I'm familiar with that company from like Birchbox or something. I think I've had facial products. Oh, I get this every time I order. This is apple cider vinegar from Bragg's. I swear by this stuff. I drink it a lot whenever I'm sick or I feel like I'm getting sick, and it helps a ton. It's supposed to also be good for like weight loss, and my dad actually drinks it every single day, and he said he's noticed a difference, so that's awesome. And then if you watched my Simply Earth unboxing, there was a recipe for how to make your own laundry detergent. So I did get some borax because they sell it on there, and I always have a hard time finding it at the store for whatever reason. So you can use this to put it in your laundry to help remove stains, or you can use it for your laundry detergent. So I might be making some laundry detergent if I could find the other ingredients. So I got that. Then, because the summer's almost here, I got some lemon eucalyptus oil. This is insect repellent. So it's supposed to repel mosquitoes, and it's DEET-free, plant-based by Murphy's Naturals. And then I think this was free. I think this is another one of the free gifts. When you spend a certain amount, when you're fulfilling your order, they include stuff. So the gloves was one of them. I think this was too, because I would not have ordered this because we have something similar, but it looks like you can pop off and get the little refills to go with that. It's pretty nice. It's a classier looking one than I have. Then I have some reusable food storage containers. This is a 2-pack. I really like the color, and I thought this might fit in Jackson's lunch bag better than what he's using. BPA free, made from recycled plastics, all that fun stuff. And then, oh, I got this. This is aloe vera gel, unscented, organic ingredients. So I'm going to put that in the fridge because I'm sure we're going to get burned this summer. We're outside a lot and we're pasty. I think these are the last two things in here. Just got a couple things of laundry detergent. This is 7th generation. I always get the baby kind for sensitive skin because both my kids have sensitive skin. Jackson particularly, but I think Raylan is going to unfortunately have sensitive skin, courtesy of me. I go through phases where I can't use like scented detergent or else it breaks my skin out and I'm itchy. So yay. And this one is just the exact same one. So if you guys are interested in ordering anything, like I said, I have that promo code and you'll get a little free gift set if it's your first time ordering. So I'll have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.